What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best metal detectors in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and still get a product of solid quality, we say check out the Garrett Ace 250, also known as the best budget metal detector available on the market in 2022. We're looking at one of the best-selling detectors of all time. This is without a doubt the name that first pops up when we need a product of this type. It's because this model's advanced metal detection features go hand in hand with affordable pricing. Made of robust and resistant materials, equipped with high-quality sensors and unmistakable precision, the 250 is the basic tool you should have in your arsenal if you want to look for precious metals anywhere. The Garrett Ace 250 is a metal detector with the unrivaled ability to find gold, costume jewelry, relics, and any kind of precious items and valuable jewelry. In terms of design and robustness, the device is manufactured to withstand bad weather and harsh outdoor conditions during long working days. Every detail has been carefully designed, from the customized discrimination notch, adjustable sensitivity and depth settings, to the latest reels for increased search accuracy. The target ID cursor works through an intuitive chart with up to 12 segments to accurately determine the range of access each time. The entire system operates via electronic signaling with a large and comfortable LCD screen and microprocessor and key controls. The sonic system is designed with quality sensors and speakers, utilizing up to 3 different levels of tone identification. The package also includes a 2-year warranty, a comprehensive user manual, a DVD with instructions to supplement the instructions in the manual, a detector support stand, 4 AA batteries, and a comfortable arm strap. The product weight is minimal, only 4.84 pounds, so we can wear it for hours thanks to the included belt and without feeling overloaded or uncomfortable at any time. As the last important detail, the device is waterproof thanks to a special coil, so we don't have to worry if it gets wet. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. Up next, check out the Fisher F22, also known as the best beginner metal detector available on the market in 2022. We're looking at a new version of Fisher F2, which has ruled the world of entry detectors since 2007. This is a plug-and-go detector and is best suited for entry-level detection looking for a powerful yet affordable coin, jewelry, and relics hunting machine. Fisher created a new coil design for the F22, a 9-inch triangular elliptical concentric coil. It is a smaller, narrower spool that is great for choosing the right targets between iron and garbage. It is also perfect for moving around narrow spaces, such as large rocks and playgrounds. The coil is also completely submerged, so it can be used in shallow water. Just remember not to wet the control box, as it's only weather resistant. F22 comes with 4 search modes, so you can set the desired pattern. Jewelry counts out all iron targets, and so does the coins mode, while art mode does not discriminate and includes all iron signs. Finally, the custom mode allows you to set a custom pattern using the onboard edit function. Target category ID numbers tell you about the type of metal you found. For example, gold, silver, or iron. The iron indicator helps us distinguish unwanted signals for garbage, great for hunting coins and jewelry. There is of course a battery level indicator, so you never run out of batteries during a long hunt. The audio function of iron, or feed tone, is a technology that is often not found on entry-level machines. This feature allows you to amplify iron signals to save time by not digging into unwanted targets. If you're looking for coins and gems, this option is invaluable. All in all, the Fisher F22 is a fantastic machine and offers great value for money. Whether you're just starting out or need a spare detector, this model would be a great choice. Thumbs up, that's for sure. And now we present you the Minelab Equinox 800, also known as the best expert metal detector available on the market in 2022. In addition to being light and affordable, this model also comes with features that make it quite attractive. This top-notch device comes with several top features, including a multi-frequency system. The features of this metal detector work together to give you the best possible performance. Note that operating this device for a beginner can seem like a challenge. Using a metal detector requires a learning curve, so an inexperienced person will need much more time to master it. However, this detection device has some automatic features that make it easier for beginners to get acquainted with its operating system. The best search parameters in a particular environment are automatically calibrated using the field, beach, park, and gold detection modes. 2 custom profiles are available to apply the settings. Equinox 800 has a soil balance ranging from 9 to 99. The default setting is 0 for all detection modes except gold. Manual mode gives you the option to choose the one with the least amount of interference. The soil gold balance is set to earth balance monitoring by default. The ability to remove interference from air, ground, or nearby detectors without the need to balance the ground or reduce sensitivity is very convenient. There are 2 ways to remove noise: manual and automatic. This type of detector is efficient because it's technologically advanced. The user can mix up to 5 different frequencies simultaneously. The speed of recovery shows how long it takes the detector to distinguish targets or continue detection after detecting iron material. The speed of recovery of the metal detector is an important thing when buying. Minelab Equinox is available in 8 recovery speeds. The built-in lithium-ion battery of this sensor device provides only 12 hours of continuous operation. Despite the low-level charge, the battery charges quickly. A high-capacity charger can charge this device in just 4 hours. Various factors that affect depth detection deserve their pages, although many users report successful depth detection up to 15 inches. There have also been reports of depths ranging from 16 to 24 inches. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. If you're looking for a top-quality product, we especially highlight Minelab CTX 3030, which has justifiably won the title of the best high-end metal detector available on the market in 2022. What we like about this one is that it's waterproof up to 3 meters. The detector itself is quite heavy, but it doesn't seem too bulky. The standard spool is great, but the real benefit of owning this Minelab is in the wide range of different coils that are easy to replace. The screen is easy to read, but quite different from the Xterra 305, so don't expect to pick it up right away. The screen is also great for displaying iron readings and connectivity, as well as for adding GPS coordinates to any invention. It comes as a full-color LCD, which displays a wealth of information on target identification, which greatly helps in discrimination. 4 technological innovations characterize CTX 3030 from Minelab. There's the FBS2, which uses faster multi-frequency transmission in an analysis that offers more results in highly mineralized environments. SmartFind 2 greatly improves discrimination by digital signal processing. It uses a GPS system to integrate geographic and weather data. It allows you to locate your discoveries, mark points, and see the entire route using Google Maps. And lastly, Device Stream, which uses an efficient low-power audio transition that allows for imperceptible delays. This technology provides reliable communication with maximum sound quality. Despite its appearance, the CTX 3030 is very intuitive. Its easy plug-and-play start, preset modes, and automatic functions make it easy for beginners to handle. There is also double numerical discrimination that allows for more precision in target analysis, as well as analysis of multiple tones, ranging from bass to treble depending on the nature of the target and your settings. The accessories supplied with the CTX 3030 are the waterproof Minelab DD disc, a pair of headphones, main chargers, and cigarette lighter chargers. Also, a waterproof helmet is available as an option. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we've reached the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall metal detector available on the market in 2022. And the winner for today is the Garrett AT Pro. We're looking at a powerful, simple, and efficient detector designed for all users who want to perform accurate detection and who don't want to give a chance to buried goals. It is waterproof. You can even dig underwater up to 3 meters. With this waterproof metal detector, you can search rivers without fear. It's equally precise and efficient underwater, which is really impressive. The title speaks for itself. This Garrett AT Pro is simple, powerful, and efficient. Its 15 kHz frequency makes it very efficient. It's able to find very small targets, unlike any 7 kHz detector. Not much will escape you with this device, rest assured. Its large screen LCD screen is a real treat to use, displaying numbers from 0 to 99 to help you determine the nature of the target. The higher the number, the more valuable the target will be. This model is really easy to use. Everything is combined with a cursor that moves over 20 segments to determine the nature of the target. It really is a great help in determining your goals. The pinpoint and notch functions complete the package. Pinpoint will help you determine the right place to dig. The notch function is very useful when you want to distinguish certain types of metals. Furthermore, the Garrett AT Pro is easy to use for one simple reason, offering 2 modes of operation, Standard Mode and Pro Mode. In Standard Mode, the sound will not fluctuate depending on the nature. Each target will beep in the same way, so you won't miss the target. Regardless of the depth, nature, or size of your target, the sound will be the same. On the other hand, the Pro mode offers another interesting feature compared to mid-range detectors, but it requires more experience to be effective. In this mode, the sound will vary depending on the nature, depth, or size. In other words, the closer the object is to the surface, for example, the louder the sound will be. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.